Do you consider yourself a multitasking pro? It's time to rethink that notion. The idea of multitasking is nothing more than a myth. In this video, we'll explore the neurophysiology and psychology experiments that demonstrate multitasking is not as efficient as we believe. Interestingly, the term multitasking has its roots in the computer industry. While computers are built for multitasking, human brains are not. Our brains can only concentrate on a single task at a time. When we believe we are multitasking, we are actually switching between tasks, which can reduce productivity and potentially harm our brains over time. Recent psychological studies indicate that those who think they excel at multitasking are actually the least skilled at it. Moreover, multitasking can decrease your IQ by up to 15 points. Thus, attempting to juggle multiple tasks simultaneously is counterproductive, only wasting time and energy. Now let's examine the science behind multitasking. When trying to perform several tasks concurrently, your brain must continually alternate between them. This constant switching demands considerable energy and causes a delay in your brain's response time. In fact, a University of London study discovered that multitasking can reduce your IQ by as much as 10 points, equivalent to foregoing a night's sleep. Now let's delve into the neurophysiology that explains why multitasking is a fallacy. Our brains have limited attention and information processing capacity. When switching between tasks, our working memory must recall where we stopped in the previous task and what needs to be done in the new task. This continual switching demands more cognitive effort and diminishes productivity. To exemplify this, let's examine a study by Stanford University neuroscientists. They found that individuals who regularly engage in multiple electronic information streams, such as email, social media, and texting, struggle with attention, information recall, and task switching. In other words, they were not proficient multitaskers. Furthermore, this constant task switching can result in elevated stress levels, as our brains are not equipped to handle a continuous influx of information. This can lead to reduced cognitive performance, affecting memory, attention, and decision-making. Another University of London study found that employees who persistently switched between tasks experienced a considerable decline in IQ, comparable to losing a night's sleep or consuming marijuana. So, if you believe you can watch a video, draft an email, and converse with a coworker simultaneously, think again. In conclusion, the notion of multitasking is a myth, and focusing on one task at a time is the secret to productivity. By eliminating distractions, creating checklists, and allocating specific times for tasks, we can train our brains to be more efficient and effective. So, the next time you're tempted to multitask, remember that you're not genuinely performing two tasks simultaneously. Instead, you're merely switching between them, ultimately reducing your productivity. Please like, subscribe, and comment.